Hey guys, in this video, I'm just going to give you an update about subscription split Astro Gold. So on update about Astro Gold Ast and AstroCap and Planet IX. So recently Planet IX has introduced us to AstroCap, and they also introduced us um the new currencies that come along with AstroCap. So one Astro Astro cre- Astro credits will remain. The Astro credit that we've been using to build facilities, it will still be there, and it will stay how it is, and it will, we will be using it like how we always use it. But AstroCap has introduced two new currencies to us, and they are Astro Gold and Astro Lite. But first of all, let's talk about Astro Gold first. So far, recently, we've been using Astro Gold, and we've been swapping our IXT for Astro Gold so that we can use our Astro Gold to pay for our rent for using the B1 to B12 tiles in our mission control. So we need Astro Gold so that we can use our B1 to B12 tiles in our mission control. So we've been using it for that. And this this update is just telling us the importance of having enough Astro Gold. It's important that we do not run out of Astro Gold, because those Astro Gold, it will be important for us when we are using those B1 to B12 tiles. If we run out of Astro Gold, what will happen is that we will be forced to claim all of our energy in waste when we want to use them again. So it's important to always have enough Astro Gold, just make sure. And what could happen is that if our energy or our waste is accumulated over a long period of time and we ran out of Astro Gold and we are forced to reactivate them, what happens is that we might be able to lose all of our energy and waste. We might, but it's not sure. But it's just better to be it's better to be sure, so that it's better that to be sure that we have enough Astro Gold, so that we always have those tiles. And the Astro Gold that we pay for our tiles, the Astro Gold that we pay for, what happens to them is that it all goes to the game Planet IX, and it's for the benefit of the gamers as well. So 40% of it goes to NewLands, meta share staking. 25% of it goes to territory staking. 18.95% of it gets burned. 10% goes to the future arena contract. 5% goes to the Amelia Foundation, the Planet X Sustainability Fund. 1% of it goes to Astro Capital, and 0.05% goes to affiliate system. So this is the Astro Gold process, and it's what we use. We use Astro Gold to pay for our fee, and all of our fees that we use for Astro Gold, Planet IX has divided them into different things. So the fee that we pay for Planet IX is using them to run the game, to keep running the game, and for the users to enjoy the game. So that's that. So that's the importance of Astro Gold and what it's used for, why Planet IX uses it. And now we're gonna talk about Astro Lite. So Astro Lite will come soon. Unlike Astro Gold, you cannot swap IXT for Astro Gold. You can't swap anything for Astro Gold. Astro Gold and Astro Lite have the same utility. They have the same. You can use it for the same things. But Astro Gold, how you get Astro Gold is that you can win it in competitions, or it could be an airdrop by Planet IX, or it could be part of future drops that Planet IX might release. But you cannot swap IXT for Astro Lite. You cannot swap IXT for Astro Gold Lite. So that's what Astro Gold Lite is. There's gonna be more update about Astro Gold Lite. So just, watch out for our video so that if anything comes up, you'll be updated. And let's talk about new Genesis NFT old holders. So just a reminder, if you have a NewLands Genesis NFT holder, and if you don't know what it is, it looks like a hat, like a yellow hat, and it's an NFT. So you might be able to locate this in your inventory or maybe in your OpenSea. And if you do have it, what happens is that you will be able to use this NewLands Genesis NFT and stake it to the NewLands so that you don't have to pay for the rent of the B1 to B12 tiles. You don't have to pay for any rent of the tiles. You can just use the tiles for free if you have the NewLands Genesis NFT and stake it. So yeah, so that's all for this update. There's gonna be more updates soon, but for now, that's it. If you wanna read this yourself in detail and understand it yourself, I will put this um this this update in the link down below, so you guys can click on it and read it by yourself if you want to and look back at it. And that's it. But that's it for this video. For more updates, please like our videos, like this video, comment, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And then just comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. We'll have an answer for you. Okay, bye bye. That is it for this video. Thank you.